In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a pipeline in Pipedrive. If you've ever felt the need to tweak your sales pipeline to better match your business process, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through each step with clarity so you can make those changes with confidence. Let's begin by getting you logged into Pipedrive. Once you're in, we're ready to dive into the process of editing your pipeline. Look at your dashboard and locate the Deals tab. This tab is essential as it's your gateway to everything sales-related in Pipedrive. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. Now, within the Deals section, you'll need to identify the pipeline you want to edit. Spotting the right pipeline is crucial because each one may correspond to different aspects of your sales strategy. As you hover over the name of your pipeline, you'll notice a pen icon or edit mode option nearby. This is your cue to start customizing. Click on it to enter edit mode. This is where the magic happens. Editing your pipeline could mean different things. Perhaps you want to rename some of the stages to better reflect your sales process, or maybe you've realized that adding a new stage is necessary to accommodate a shifting business model. Whatever your needs are, now is the time to make your pipeline work for you. You're free to type in new names for the stages, adapting them to mirror your business terminology. If you're adding a new stage, use the Add New Stage option that Pipedrive conveniently provides, allowing you to expand your pipeline seamlessly. This versatility is what makes Pipedrive such a valuable tool. It lets your sales pipeline truly align with your business's unique workflow, enhancing both functionality and user experience. Once you're satisfied with the changes, remember that saving them is a crucial final step. Look for the Save Changes button to lock in your edits. A click here ensures that all your thoughtful adjustments become the new normal for your pipeline. With that click, your pipeline now has its new shape, ready to guide you and your team towards sales success. Having a well-structured sales pipeline is indispensable. It forms the backbone of an effective sales strategy, allowing you to track deals efficiently and fostering a systematic, winning approach. By personalizing your pipeline in Pipedrive, you're not just editing stages, you're optimizing your entire sales process for better performance and efficiency. I hope this tutorial has made editing your pipeline in Pipedrive straightforward and empowering. With these steps, your pipeline can continually adapt to reflect your current sales process, keeping your strategy sharp and focused. Thanks for watching, and here's to your continued success in sales.